Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Baugh, and today I'm gonna do a quick and easy lunch, which is a chicken salad. I love a good chicken salad. I order it a lot when I go to restaurants, and I decided to do my own version of it. All right, so for my ingredients for my chicken salad, it's really easy. I had a leftover full roasted chicken that I'm gonna cut up. I'm gonna put some grapes in there, some celery, apple, walnuts, some mayonnaise, and season it on a bed of lettuce. It's as simple as that, or you can always make a sandwich. So first things first, I'm gonna cut the chicken up into pieces. Okay, beautiful, easy, yay. That was the easy one for me. Sometimes it's not always that easy to cut a chicken. So we'll take the breast first. This baby is working today, okay? He's like, I'm ready. Get the bone out of here. Boom. All right, let's cut them up in chunks. You know, you can put grapes, you can put apples. It depends on what you really like. So I'm kind of doing my own version. And let's throw the chicken in there. All these yummy leftover ingredients. I hate wasting food. I always talk about that. So we're gonna try to use every piece of it. All right, next I'm gonna chop up an apple, the other ingredients. I have my chicken all cut up. Let's chop one apple. And you can use a red apple or a green apple, whatever you prefer. This is what I had, this is what I'm using. This is great when you're having people over, when you want something quick and easy. Chicken salad's always good. Not just tuna, chicken, ha ha ha. Let's do some celery. People forget how good celery is. Yum. Okay. And whatever kind of grapes you have, you can cut them or you can just throw them in whole. I'm gonna cut mine up a little bit. If you don't want to use grapes, you can always use pickle. Some walnuts. If anybody's allergic to walnuts, guess what? Don't use walnuts. All right, mayonnaise. I'm gonna judge on what that is because I don't want to over mayonnaise. Salt. And you don't have to over salt this because this was pre-cooked chicken. So if you were, you know, cooking your chicken yourself, really depends. So you don't want to over salt it because it's already been salted. A little garlic powder. And I like hot sauce, but we'll see. Let me get this started. This is really simple. Refreshing, great lunch. Put it on a sandwich. I think I need a little bit more mayonnaise, so I'm gonna use this because I already used that. see how this tastes. Simple as that. That's really good. I could use a little bit more garlic for me. Seasoning, a little bit more pepper. I like seasoning. You could also use my essence in this too. A little hot sauce. And honestly, this is done. Now, if you don't want hot sauce, you don't have to put hot sauce. I put hot sauce in everything. All right, let me plate this. This looks really good. We're gonna do some arugula. There you go. And we'll put salad on top. And you can always put a little drizzle of olive oil so the arugula has a little. And then let me get a fork. Hello. Okay. And here is your perfect, easy chicken salad on a bed of arugula. Perfect lunch, easy to cook. That's perfect. It'd also be good on a sandwich too. For the recipe, you know where to get the recipe from. islandinthevalley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. And this is good. This is just a great summertime, actually any time of year, salad. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next Alley in the Valley.